traders, welcome to another week of the weekly Forex forecast. So just a quick recap of last week's analysis. For last week, we had on the watch list the EURGBP, the gold, and the USD card. This is how the week went. For the EURGBP, I noted that the market was bearish below this level. It was a quick bear though, but then it quickly reversed on the ECB announcement and the fundamentals going on. So I had a position on the EURGBP from 2 weeks ago, but I didn't quite meet my target before it reversed sharply. For the gold, in the early hours of the market, there was a retest of the channel support as new resistance to go down. With the gold too, I had a short entry on it, but then the reversal took my trailing stop for a small profit. And with the USD card, it didn't go quite as planned. The market went down though in the early hours of the week, but it quickly reversed. I took a small hit on the USD card. For gold, gold makes it into this week again. And aside gold, we have the AUDNZD and the EURGBP on the watch list for this week. Starting with the AUDNZD, we can actually see that this market has been rising steadily since August, and we've been having some corrective moves in the rising that this market has been rising. For last week, we saw that there was a big impulsive move up, and now the market is very overextended in this ascending channel. It ended the week with a small bearish candle on the ascending channel's resistance. So for the coming week, I'm looking at this zone that's between the 1.0712 and 1.0693. I'll be looking at this zone for a trend continuation. So this level and this level are places where we should be expecting some candlestick that supports the bulls. If there is no candlestick to support a trend continuation, a bearish break into both of these levels plus the support of the ascending channel would mean that the trend has completely reversed. Also, there might not be any counter trend move or a total reversal, but then this market could be a runaway market, meaning that the market could break up of the ascending channel's resistance and shoot upwards from then on. So that is the plan for the AUDNZD. Looking for trend continuations in this zone or a total trend reversal when we get below this level. For the EURGBP, we have sort of a similar opposing market structure to the AUDNZD. As the AUDNZD is traveling in an ascending channel, the EURGBP is also traveling through a descending channel. So for the EURGBP as well, I'll be expecting a counter trend move into this area where we have this line that is previous support level, and also we have an accompanying channel resistance over here. So this area would be a place where I'll be looking for reversals above this level and above the channel's resistance is a place where the bulls can take hold of things and move up. But until then, whilst the EURGBP is below this level, the bears are still in control. The counter trend move might never come, and if it doesn't come, a break below this level, that is this horizontal level and this diagonal level, which acts as the channel support, would mean that the EURGBP is also in a runaway market trend. But then with the AUDNZD and the EURGBP, I wouldn't really be interested in shorting the EURGBP if it breaks right below this level, or buying the AUDNZD if it breaks right above this level, because most of these breaks tend to be false. And with the gold, my bias on gold is still bearish because I'm still short from Thursday. As I was taking out, I re-entered on another price action setup. On the 4-hour time frame, you can also see that even as the bearish move that went down and got cancelled by the opposing bullish move came about, we had another retest of the ascending channel support again, and then we went down. So right on Thursday, we went down and closed bearish and moved bearish into Friday's trading day. So this is still a clean retest of this market structure, and I'll be bearish the gold up to this level, which is the 1447. That is my whole market view on gold for the meantime. I'll remain a bear until this whole channel or this whole market structure is taken out, because gold seems like it's poised for a deep bearish move downwards. So that is the market structure for the gold again, which makes it 2 straight weeks into the forecast. And for the EURGBP and the AUDNZD, I would clearly be looking out for the reversion to the mean, or the other clues that I noted before having a trade plan on these two pairs. So that is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable